Jackfruit is rapidly gaining recognition as a sustainable superfruit. Native to Southeast Asia, jackfruit captivates taste buds worldwide. Its size and meaty texture make it a unique culinary ingredient. Jackfruit promotes sustainable agriculture and food security. It's nutrient-rich with a low environmental impact. Requiring minimal water and land, it's ideal for arid regions. Jackfruit thrives in various climates, offering reliable sustenance. Its versatility in dishes allows for endless culinary creativity. Jackfruit is a frontrunner in the sustainable food movement. From meatless burgers to desserts, it's a versatile ingredient. Jackfruit signifies a shift towards mindful consumption. It's a symbol of hope for a sustainable, food-secure future. Jackfruit trees thrive in warm, humid climates, reminiscent of their Southeast Asian origins. These trees flourish in tropical regions with temperatures between 24 and 35 degrees Celsius. Abundant sunshine is essential for optimal growth. While they can tolerate brief cool periods, frost is detrimental. Cultivate in frost-free regions. Ideal rainfall is between 100 and 200 centimeters annually. Well-drained, slightly acidic to neutral soil is crucial, rich in organic matter for essential nutrients. Choose a spacious location for their expansive canopy. With proper care, jackfruit trees yield bountiful harvests for decades. Cultivating jackfruit trees aligns with sustainable farming practices. These resilient trees require minimal inputs, making them eco-friendly. Planting and nurturing jackfruit trees showcases nature's interconnectedness. Extract seeds from a ripe jackfruit, ensuring they are healthy. Soak seeds in water for 24 hours to enhance germination. Plant seeds in well-draining potting mix. Keep soil moist but not waterlogged. Seedlings emerge within 3 to 8 weeks. Transplant seedlings once they have true leaves. Choose a sunny location with well-drained soil. Dig a hole twice the width and depth of the root ball. Place the seedling in the hole level with the soil surface. Water deeply and regularly, especially in the first few months. Mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize every few months with organic fertilizer. With proper care, your jackfruit tree will flourish and reward you with fruit. Jackfruit is not only delicious but also a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This remarkable fruit is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function, collagen production, and skin health. Jackfruit is also rich in B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and pyridoxine, which play crucial roles in energy metabolism, nerve function, and red blood cell formation. Potassium, an essential mineral for maintaining healthy blood pressure, is also abundant in jackfruit. Adequate potassium intake helps counteract the negative effects of sodium and promotes cardiovascular well-being. Moreover, jackfruit is a good source of magnesium, a mineral involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation, and blood pressure control. Fiber, both soluble and insoluble, is another nutritional highlight of jackfruit. Fiber promotes digestive health, aids in weight management, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Jackfruit's impressive fiber content contributes to satiety, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. Incorporating jackfruit into your diet is a delicious and nutritious way to enhance your overall health and well-being. Section 5. From savory to sweet, the culinary versatility of jackfruit. Jackfruit's remarkable culinary versatility stems from its unique texture and neutral flavor profile, making it an exceptional ingredient in both savory and sweet dishes. Its unripe fruit, with its stringy, meaty texture, has gained immense popularity as a plant-based meat alternative. When seasoned and cooked, young jackfruit mimics the texture and taste of pulled pork, chicken, or even seafood. Jackfruit's neutral flavor acts as a blank canvas, absorbing the flavors of spices, sauces, and seasonings it's cooked with. This makes it an ideal ingredient for curries, stews, stir-fries, tacos, and sandwiches. Its versatility extends beyond meatless creations. Ripe jackfruit offers a sweet, tropical flavor reminiscent of pineapple and mango. Ripe jackfruit can be enjoyed fresh, added to smoothies, or used in desserts. Its naturally sweet flavor shines in ice creams, jams, cakes, and pies. Jackfruit's ability to transform into a variety of culinary creations is a testament to its adaptability and culinary potential. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or simply looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, jackfruit offers a delicious and sustainable way to explore new flavors and textures. Section 6. A boon for biodiversity and food security. Jackfruit's environmental benefits extend far beyond its low water and land requirements. Cultivating jackfruit trees can contribute to enhancing biodiversity, promoting ecological balance and strengthening food security in vulnerable communities. Jackfruit trees serve as a valuable habitat and food source for various wildlife species, including birds, insects, and small mammals. The tree's large, spreading canopy provides shade for understory plants, creating a microclimate that supports a diverse range of flora and fauna. This biodiversity is essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems and ensuring the resilience of agricultural systems. Moreover, jackfruit's long shelf life and ability to be processed into various products make it a valuable asset for food security. In regions prone to food shortages or limited access to fresh produce, jackfruit can serve as a reliable source of nutrition year-round. Its fruit can be dried, preserved, or processed into flour, extending its shelf life and making it accessible even during lean seasons. By promoting biodiversity and enhancing food security, jackfruit cultivation contributes to building more resilient and sustainable food systems for present and future generations. Section 7. Jackfruit's environmental triumph: water efficiency. In an era of increasing water scarcity, jackfruit emerges as a beacon of hope for sustainable agriculture. This remarkable fruit tree exhibits exceptional water use efficiency, requiring significantly less water than many other staple crops. Jackfruit trees have adapted to thrive in regions with distinct wet and dry seasons, developing deep root systems that enable them to access water from deeper soil layers. Their thick, waxy leaves minimize water loss through transpiration, allowing them to conserve moisture effectively. This inherent water efficiency makes jackfruit an ideal crop for regions facing water stress or experiencing prolonged droughts. As climate change exacerbates water scarcity issues globally, cultivating water-wise crops like jackfruit becomes increasingly crucial for ensuring food security and sustainable agricultural practices. Compared to water-intensive crops like rice, wheat, or sugarcane, jackfruit requires significantly less irrigation, reducing the strain on precious water resources. Its ability to thrive in arid conditions with minimal irrigation makes it a valuable asset for farmers in water-stressed regions, providing a sustainable source of income and nutrition while conserving precious water resources. Section 8. The carbon-capturing power of jackfruit trees. Beyond its water efficiency, jackfruit cultivation offers significant environmental benefits through its carbon sequestration potential. Jackfruit trees, like all trees, absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis and store it in their wood, leaves, and roots. This natural process of carbon sequestration helps mitigate climate change by reducing the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Jackfruit trees are particularly effective at carbon sequestration due to their long lifespan, rapid growth rates, and extensive root systems. Their large canopies provide ample surface area for absorbing carbon dioxide, while their deep roots store carbon below ground, preventing it from being released back into the atmosphere. By planting jackfruit trees, farmers and landowners can contribute to carbon offsetting, mitigating their environmental footprint and promoting a healthier planet. The carbon-capturing power of jackfruit trees, combined with their low water and land requirements, makes them a truly sustainable crop for a future facing the challenges of climate change. Section 9. Jackfruit, a beacon of hope for sustainable food systems. Jackfruit's emergence as a sustainable superfruit signifies a paradigm shift in our approach to food production and consumption. As we grapple with the environmental and social consequences of conventional agriculture, jackfruit offers a compelling alternative that aligns with the principles of sustainability, biodiversity, and food security. Its low environmental impact, exceptional nutritional value, and culinary versatility make it an ideal candidate for building more resilient and equitable food systems. By embracing jackfruit cultivation, we can reduce our reliance on resource-intensive crops, promote biodiversity, and empower communities with a sustainable source of income and nutrition. Jackfruit's versatility extends beyond its culinary applications. Its leaves can be used as fodder for livestock, its wood can be used for timber, and its bark has medicinal properties. This multifaceted nature of the jackfruit tree exemplifies the concept of zero-waste agriculture, where every part of the plant is utilized, minimizing waste and maximizing resource efficiency. As we navigate the complexities of creating a more sustainable future, jackfruit stands as a beacon of hope, reminding us that nature holds the solutions to many of the challenges we face. By embracing the potential of this remarkable fruit, we can cultivate a more just, equitable, and sustainable food system for all.